now just take it out landing gear. See now we're banking left. You want to just roll the wings level. And because we've gone left a bit, you want to correct that by going right. And the nose is dropping. Bring the nose back up. Doing well, Captain. Right, roll to the right a little bit more. Lower the nose just a little bit more. That's it. Not too much, just hold it there. Right.
So this is what the pilots normally see then?
That's it.
Okay.
Roll right a bit more. Right now, roll left, so that way we are lying straight down the runway, and then roll wings level. Bring the nose up a bit more.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate.
Hold it all the way down to the runway, like that.
Hold it like this, huh?
Yep. And then you see how we're slowly losing sight of the runway?
Yeah.
We're pushing those forward a little bit more. And roll wings level, so we stop the left bank. At this stage, we're on the left side of the runway.
Yeah.
So we want to go right and raise the nose a little bit more.
Sink rate.
Raise the nose. Getting a bit low. Right now go left. Lower the nose. That's it. Right now wings level. Wings level. Roll right. Right. Hold right. That's it. Just hold it there. Now have your hand on the throttle, bring it all the way back, then slowly raise the nose. That's it, and just hold it there, wait for the plane to sink. You don't want to go left anymore, you don't have to keep it straight. That's it, wait for the plane to sink. As it's sinking, you just bring the nose up. That's it, you're on the ground. Just wait for all the other wheels to come down. Then I'll steer with your feet.
Now you can steer.
Yep.
That's it.
That's it.